Hello friends, I'm Shailesh and welcome to my podcast Zindagi Ke Kai Rang. We say as a society we have progressed and advanced और हम अपने लड़के और लड़की को same opportunity देते हैं. But do we really see our boys and girls with the same lens? We still consider women as a weaker section of the society. No, I don't think so. Let's hear what our young girl have to say.
Hello everyone. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Well then, I am here to make it more better, especially for women and girls in general. Today, consider my voice as the voice of every woman and every girl, भले ही वो आपकी बहन हो या गर्लफ्रेंड हो या कोई और औरत ही क्यों ना हो. Of course, today's podcast is gender specific but try to find logic and sensibility to today's concept and my thoughts. So the thing is that we women have been considered as the weaker section of the society as compared to men at a certain point, and we've been considered as slaves to men. Literally speaking, we've been considered as Gadha Majdoor towards men. It's the year 2020 and we have been witnessing gender equality, feminism and all of that falana dhamkana for years now. But believe me, as far as a woman is concerned, उसके लिए gender equality नाम की कोई चीज़ नहीं है. We listen to people talking about equal rights, but look around and answer to yourself कि इतना सब awareness होने के बाद भी आज तुम्हारे घर में दोनों टाइम का खाना कौन बना रहा है? आज भी तुम्हारे घर में झाड़ू बर्तन कपड़े कौन कर रहा है? आज भी तुम्हारे घर के बच्चों को कौन संभाल रहा है? I'm sure many of your houses either have your mom doing all these, your sister or your maid doing all of these. आज बहुत कम घरों में हम एक आदमी को काम करता हुआ देखते हैं. Is it because we women are built to do all of this? Is it in our nature? Definitely not. I'll give you my share of experience. Allow me to give me a little background about myself. Like I said before, I am a content writer, a blogger and a graduated berozgar, belonging from an Indian family, and I have restrictions. What I am about to speak or share with you all is something which I and many other women have experienced every day. Bloody every day. बाकी सबको भी दिखाई देता है बट कोई नोटिस नहीं करता. Now many of us must have noticed men drying their undergarments in the windows और घर के बाहर कपड़े सुखाने की कोई जगह हो तो, right? These undergarments are clearly visible to everybody, literally everybody, alright? And on the other hand, have you ever seen a bra drying out in a place where it is visible? Have you? Rarely, right? And what do we think while we see a bra drying out in an open space? What people say is, देखो इसने वो बाहर सुखाया है, ओके? वो बाहर सुखाया है. We don't even say its name. We also hear things like, ये भी कोई बाहर सुखाने की चीज़ है? इसको कुछ शर्म नहीं है? Totally characterless. इन सारी हरकतों से ही तो आदमियों की बुरी नज़र पड़ती है and all the crap revolving around it. Most of the women dry the undergarments either inside their house or in such a place where it is visible to none. जिन भी नहीं ढूंढ पाएगा. Why do we do this? Solely because of shame. Why? Why shame? अरे कोई देखेगा तो क्या बोलेगा? वो क्या सोचेगा तुम्हारे बारे में? It is shame for a woman even if a bra strap is visible. It is a bloody shame. क्या खास बात है इसकी? Nothing. It is just a piece of cloth. Just a piece of cloth giving support to a woman's breast. Now let's turn the tables and get to the exciting part. पूरी सोसाइटी की आंखें बाहर आ जाती है when a woman's bra strap is visible. But वो ही सोसाइटी अंधी हो जाती है when a man's undergarment is seen drying outside. And we talk of equality. Not so broad-minded women find a sense of pride and satisfaction जब वो अपने पति की, बच्चे की रुपया या डॉलर बाहर सुखाती है. नहीं भाई, उसको धूप लगने दो, अच्छे से सूखने दो, डिसइंफेक्ट होने दो. Similarly, don't you think our period panties and bras need sunlight and disinfection too? Are we so ashamed of our hygiene? Drying your undergarment outside will not lower your respect या फिर तुम्हारी नाक नहीं कटेगी भाई. Believe me or not, but the society and पड़ोस वाले अंकल have more worries than worrying कि मेरा bra strap visible है, मेरे undergarments बाहर सूख रहे हैं. And believe me, I've got more to worry rather than worrying about my पड़ोस वाले uncle worrying about my bra and my undergarments. You must have noticed teenage boys who wear their pants below their waist and उनकी चोर बाजार वाली Calvin Klein gets visible. ये क्यों नहीं दिखता किसी को? You must be wondering कि ये क्या लड़की है, ये क्या क्या नोटिस करती है. You're absolutely right with this question. I noticed this and all of these because I have a problem with it. अगर उनकी रूपा डॉलर बाहर सूख सकती है, then मेरे अंडरगारमेंट्स में कोई जहर नहीं है. If I talk about equality and inequality, believe me, I won't stop. Because मुझे सोसाइटी से, उनके रूल्स से हद से ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. Yes, we say that it all starts from the house and same is my story. But then what makes me different is whether I am fighting for it or not. I won't care अगर इक्वालिटी को लेके मेरे घर में किसी के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट होती भी है या नहीं. If I know something is wrong, then I'll speak up for it. I am doing my bit to bring a change in the society and I've started it from my home. ये मेरी ज़िंदगी का दूसरा रंग था and I'm proud of my mindset today. अगर मैं ऐसी हूँ, I know what is right and what is wrong. If I'm fighting for my equality, then even if people perceive me as selfish or characterless, I wouldn't care. And no woman should. दूसरों का ख्याल करोगे तो खुद के लिए कब जियोगे? However cliche it may sound, but at the end, every individual needs equality and sustenance. I hope this must have been helpful and अगर एक औरत भी इससे इंस्पायर हुई है for equality, I'll be more than happy. Thanks and regards.
That was the episode from me. I hope you liked the story. And make sure you follow Zindagi Ke Kai Rang on Spotify and many more platforms. Stay tuned.